Ready for headphones that make music feel like a movie? Sonos Ace, the brand's first over-ear cans with spatial audio and dynamic head tracking, just restocked in the US today for $399. They sold out fast after CES 2025, and audiophiles are buzzing. Stick around to see why these are the hottest headphones of 2025. What's good, audio fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Sonos just dropped a fresh US restock of their Ace headphones, their first ever over-ear model. Priced at $399, they're packing spatial audio, lossless streaming, and a 30-hour battery. Stuff's raving about their high-fidelity sound, and X is lit with fans hyping their post-CES sellout comeback. Let's dive into why these headphones are a must-grab. So, what's the vibe? The Sonos Ace are premium over-ear headphones with custom 40mm dynamic drivers for crystal clear highs and deep rumbling bass. They support lossless audio via aptX lossless over Bluetooth 5.4 or USB-C, perfect for Tidal or Qobuz on compatible Android devices. The spatial audio with Dolby Atmos and dynamic head tracking makes movies and music feel 3D. Your head moves, the sound follows, keeping you locked in the action. Active noise cancellation uses 8 beam-forming mics to block out the world, while Aware mode lets in ambient sounds for chats or commutes. With 30 hours of battery life and a 3-minute charge for 3 hours of play, they're built for marathons. The vegan leather ear cuffs and 312-gram frame are comfy, and the TV audio swap feature beams sound from Sonos soundbars like the Arc for private cinematic vibes. At $399, they're a steal against the $549 AirPods Max. Why is this trending? The Sonos Ace sold out fast after CES 2025, where their true cinema tech wowed with room-mapped spatial audio for hyper-realistic surround sound. Sources are calling them an audiophile's dream for lossless support and a warm, detailed soundstage that rivals Sony's WH-1000XM5. X users are geeking out over the TV audio swap, which lets you privately enjoy Dolby Atmos from a Sonos Arc or Beam. Perfect for late-night Oppenheimer binges. Demand is sky-high, with Best Buy and Amazon struggling to keep stock since January. At $399, they're undercutting Bose and Apple while delivering premium ANC in a sleek, recycled material travel case. These aren't just headphones, they're a home theater in your ears. Alright, let's make it you. Picture rocking the Sonos Ace. What's your jam? Immersing in Dune with spatial audio, cranking lossless jazz on a flight, or swapping TV audio to game without waking the house? Drop your dream Ace moment in the comments.